Alright guys, Penis Customs here. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday morning. Is it a Sunday where I'm at? But this is a custom that I decided to do. It's a factory fresh Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and this is pretty a simple custom. But as you all know, the factory fresh, if you've seen them, they're just pretty much just a plain Jane color. Very minimal paint on them, but I wanted to add more to it. This is a pretty simple custom. I'm pretty sure most of y'all could probably pull this off. This is just to give y'all an idea that you don't always have to strip them. You don't always have to paint them some wild color or whatever. You can use the original paint and make it look really nice. So this is what I decided to do with this one. This is the factory yellow. As I said, didn't repaint the yellow. However, I did add the black to the top, as you can see right there. Added the decals, did a wheel swap. These are the only wheels I had that fitted at the moment. I do, however, want some black 5-spoke wheels. I think it would look so much better. Until I get those, I'll use these. I added the decals, as you can see, and then 3 coats of clear to really make it pop. I detailed the front, as you can see right there where it's black on the front on the inserts. That's black. Detailed the headlights, and that's pretty much it. Really not a whole lot to it, but I'm pretty sure most of you guys can pull it off. Just get you some decals, a little bit of paint, and that's it. Do a wheel swap on it, and you got a nice little custom. Let me get you a closer look on it. I'm fixing to move the camera. Here we go. But there you go. Nice little wheel swap, decals, clear coats. Get you a good clear coat you like. Make it really shiny. And like I said, very limited details from Hot Wheels. The tail lights were already done. The middle was done with the Dodge on it. And then the Hellcat, if I can get it to focus, the Hellcat logo was already there. But I just decided to add all the other tempos. But it's, like I said, this factory paint, so there you go. Get it to focus in a little better. But that's all there is to it. Pretty nice, simple custom. In the past, I've showed you how to do the blister cards. Take them apart. And now we will put this one back in the blister. The card's almost in mint condition, so it makes it really nice. A little bit of a soft corner on one corner. And put that right there. And there you go. Let me get it to focus right. There we go. Now it's back into focus. Sorry about that. But there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope this gives y'all ideas on how to do some customs with the factory paint from Mattel or from Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Have a great Sunday.